Welcome family, thanks for joining me. Wanted to show off my Cherokee Tan Pumpkins that I grew in my garden this year. These are 7 that I harvested yesterday. They will continue to ripen, but I just wanted to share with you my little backyard garden. It's still going along even though a lot of stuff has died off in this July heat. I'm cleaning my beds up, getting ready for a fall garden. I'm going to be planting some collards and some garlic and more peas, and so I'm getting these beds cleaned out and fertilized and ready, and that pumpkin vine just seems to grow everywhere. These are the purple hull peas that are starting to bloom, so hopefully during the month of August I'll get a nice harvest of more purple hull peas. And then over on this side of the garden I've cleared out all of the green beans that I had. I'm going to be planting fall peas in there, and there is my pepper garden, and it has produced unbelievably. I cannot tell you how many peppers I've gotten off of that little spiral garden. So back to the pumpkins. These tend to grow wild all over the place, so I think next year I'm going to find a different spot to plant them in. But if you look around, you can see the cute little orange tan pumpkins peeking through. So I knew it was time to start picking these. And so I carefully waded into the pumpkin patch. I do have a long black snake that has taken up residency in my backyard, and I hate snakes, so I've got my boots on. But I kind of make a lot of noise and go in there and cut the pumpkins. Now they are small, which is fine. These are known for their small size. They're good baking pumpkins, and they will last about a year in your pantry, and they will continue to turn tan. All that green will disappear as they ripen. Always cut the stem as long as you can. That makes them last longer in the pantry. I also have a really good everything pumpkin board on my Pinterest site. I'll leave a link below for you to go to that and check out all the great recipes. Pumpkin is so good for you, and now that I know how to grow these will be a staple in my garden. So thanks so much for joining me. Hey, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to have a nice giveaway when I have reached my goal of 500 subscribers. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a very blessed day. Take care.